As you know guys, my name is Muiz. I'm a property investor based in London and this is the final tour, so let's go. Okay, so room number one. As you can see guys, we went for a pin lock system here. It just keeps everything nice and simple, saves on the cost, kind of a lot of keys. What we find is a lot of tenants lose their keys and just keeps it simple. So that's why I went for that one. As you can see, I'm actually proud, in terms of the outcome of this. The colour theme has got a nice sort of cozy feel to it. On the walls we put a rock salt colour. It's got a bit of a blue tint in it, slightly a bit grey in there as well. Simple white ceilings. I was thinking of going with the whole colourful feature walls and stuff like that. But for me personally, I have to think about the end user. And I think it keeps things very simple. It's easy for someone to come in and just put their own spin on it and just go with the flow. As you can see, we've got the ensuite here. We went pretty standard, clean, simple, and straight to the point. Okay, so we've gone to room number 6. This is the biggest room in the house. As you can see, lovely space. It's like the master room here. Okay, so one thing I did mention when we was in room number 1 was a lovely lighting here. As you can see, there's a nice sort of black and chrome sort of feel to it. Got a nice simple but effective feel to the room. Like I said, we've kept it quite simple and modern, but the finishing is done to a very high standard. And as you can see guys, we've got the ensuite here as well. Mirror image to the one downstairs as well. Okay, as you can see guys, we've got the sensor lights that run through the first floor and the ground floor. These are amazing for energy saving and it's good for the health and safety of the HMO aspects as well. Okay, so in the main bathroom guys, I'm sure you guys have seen the transition of what this was looking like before. So I'm happy to say I'm proud of the outcome. What we tried to do in this main bathroom is we tried to just push it out a little bit more in terms of the what we're going to spend and the look of it, just to compensate for the 2 rooms that don't have an ensuite. So we went for the nice sort of black and white sort of theme going on, with the black towel radiator here, the black frame showers, and also matching with the black mirror here as well. I think the finish is amazing. So it's nice, simple, straight to the point, sleek, modern. To be honest guys, I'm loving the finishing, so it's amazing. Alright guys, we're finally here. This is the masterpiece of the property, the extension, the open plan kitchen / lounge area. I'm proud of the outcome of this guys. Literally everything in this space here has been done to a high standard. As you can see with the lounge area here, got the nice cushions here, matching with the rug as you can see. We watch some nice TV. We've got the kitchen side here, and that running across all the way down there, and it comes around that little centre there. We've got the boiler tucked away in this section here. So that's a system boiler, and we've got the cylinder in the cupboard, just literally just down at the part of the kitchen. Obviously we provided a nice microwave for them as well. Got loads of storage space for 6 people. We've got the cooking section right here. We've got a double oven as well for the HMO regulations, for the amount of people that we are going to have in this property. Okay guys, so in this section here, we've got the breakfast bar / work area. Obviously what we're trying to do is to promote people to socialise with each other, but at the same time as well, it's a good place to sort of work as well, especially what's going on with the pandemic and all that sort of stuff as well. People are looking for space, more than anything now. As you can see, we've got a nice sort of concrete style worktop. And we've provided a nice sort of bookshelf here as well, just to sort of promote that sort of work area. So obviously the tenants can, put their files, books, whatever in this section here. And this is like the sort of the focal point of this whole section here. Yes guys, this is the main section of the house, the main extension. So if you were to walk into this house, this is what will sell it to you. This section here for me is a 10 out of 10. So let's go to the garden. Okay, as you can see guys here, we've done the sort of the decking leading out from the lounge area here. It's got 2 purposes as well. So it's a step, but also you can sit down as well. Nice hot day, having a nice little beverage on the side there. And sort of, you know, taking the sun. In this section here, we have decided to go for the Astro. Keep it low maintenance. As you know, with tenants, well, my experience with tenants anyway, is they don't want to get involved in cutting down the grass and stuff like that. So this keeps everything nice and simple. All they have to do is just sweep it up in, you know, a couple of days, but that's literally it. On the side here, we're going for some nice sleepers. And then the back section here, we've got the stones, just to give it a nice sort of decoration sort of feel to it. And I feel it sort of works really well in terms of the way it sort of continues with the property itself, how it sort of flows through. Guys, this is literally it. 3 months worth of work, a couple of weeks of sort of furnishing the property itself, and sorting out all the, you know, minor details and stuff like that. But trust me, there's been ups, there's definitely been downs as well. I've learned a lot in this process. Every project that I always do, you know, I make mistakes, but also I learn certain things as well, which I take onto the next project itself. So I just want to say a big thank you to everyone that's been following the journey, everyone that's helped in the background. You know who you are, and just watch out for the next projects and the next projects and the next projects and the next projects, and that's it. Take care, guys.